Alright, welcome back to a second episode of Rhubarb Tutorials. Now, it's been a while since I've last uploaded to the channel, so yeah, so it's been a while. So I just wanted to give you a little update on how my rhubarb has been going. So now this rhubarb and this bunch over here too, this has been a very good year. I mean, you can tell by the color of the leaves and just by really the width and just the texture of the leaves, because the leaves will have like almost like a slight chalky fuzzy feel to it, and that's exactly what you want in your rhubarb plant. And even if we look down there kind of towards the stem, you kind of see like this more faded rose red and this slight green kind of towards the main blue. This is really the type of colors that you guys would want in your rhubarb plant if you want to have a successful harvest. Now I actually had a couple of harvests last week. Yeah, these suckers have grown incredibly fast. Some of my personal favorites I would want to do with my personal rhubarb would be making a strawberry rhubarb cake. Now that is truly a splendid treat. So yeah, if you're wondering on how your rhubarb should look, this would be A+ textbook rhubarb right here. This is what you really want to look for in a rhubarb plant. Now if I just step back just a little bit, you can just see how big those leaves are, and this would just be high quality of some rhubarb plants. Even right here, they have like this little cone divot right here. This is just splendid rhubarb. If you're wondering like what kind of soil I got here, just some basic black dirt down there. I sprinkle in a couple wood chips, you know, just for that little detail, because not only is this something I'll eat every once in a while in making pastries and different dessert treats, but it's also a good decoration for my household. And I personally just think rhubarbs look superb just where they're planted out. And yeah, and my second batch over here, they're still doing great. This is I mean, look at this one. Look at that beautiful leaf. We had a storm a couple days ago, and it looks like this guy's leaf got a little folded, but that should be all right. I mean, just that stem, and again, just that perfect rose red color with a little bit of that faded green. So that's, if you guys are wondering how your rhubarb should look and just how nice it can look against your nice wall of your household, this would be perfect rhubarb. So yeah, thank you for tuning back into the channel. I'm sorry, it has been a long time. I've just had some personal stuff I've had to deal with, but anyway, if you liked the video, please drop a like. If you didn't, and leave some helpful feedback in the comments below so I can read it and update the channel on how you guys would want me to run it. And yeah, and if you're new to the channel, possibly hit that subscribe button if you want to see some more content. And yeah, I'll see you guys later.